The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Welcome back, students. How are you all? Fine. Okay. So I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Okay. So I am very happy to see your submitted works. Some of you have to send that. So send as a PDF file. Okay. So I know that you all are interested to observe sky at night. Is it? Okay. How many of you have visited planetarium? Okay, good. So planetarium, it is an imaginary area. They have set a sky, is it? And you can observe the different planets and stars, is it? So nowadays it is available that you can observe the sky and constellations while sitting at home. How it is possible? Yes. So we can use some softwares and we can observe the particular sky and constellations in an area, is it? And we have a number of softwares for that. Okay, so this class or this session we are going to discuss about such software. We have to observe the sky for a particular time and in a particular place. So we are going to discuss about a software named as Stellarium. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the third section software we are going to study in this chapter 5 is Stellarium. To learn or observe the constellation and the sky and the position of stars in a particular time. So here is the main window. You can see in the screen. Okay, so this is the main window. By clicking you will get an atmosphere, that means an upper part of our earth and the sky. This is the main window. By clicking you will get the two bars here. First one is toolbar and another one is status bar. Okay, you can see clearly in the practical session. Okay, I'll show you that. And in this toolbar we have the different options. First one is location window, date and time. Next one, sky and viewing option window. Whatever the option you have to see means you can choose this option. And another one is search window. You can search in particular objects or stars. Okay. And another one is configuration window. You can set the particular window. And another one is astronomical calculation window. Okay. And next one is help window. If you need to know about any particular view option means you can choose a help window. And here we have different options here. I will show you in the next slide. Okay. How the atmosphere you have to display and which type of atmosphere you need. Okay, so the software name is Stellarium. Clear? To study or learn the constellation arrangements and the arrangement of planets. Okay, so here we are going to discuss the main points. The first one is how to adjust the location. So in a location, if you are in our home, what is the constellation above our place? Is it? So you can adjust the particular location on that time. And another one is observing the constellation, that is the arrangement of stars. And you can draw an imaginary image. So such options is known as constellations. I think you all studying in geography, is it? Okay. And another one is adjust date and time. Okay. and the final one is displaying the ecliptic line. Okay, let's see how to do this. So the first one is adjusting the location. So in the first slide I have shown that location option, is it? By clicking that you will get such window. Here you can select, here you have the number of list of place, is it? Or else you can give the particular latitude and longitudinal degrees. Then you will get the particular place. Okay? Or else you can choose the area from this list. Okay? So here after that add to, click on that add to list and you can add your location if you want to add the particular location. Clear? So like this you can use the location window or else you can choose F6 in the keyboard. Clear? So what is the use of this? You can select a particular location through this location window. Clear? And the next one is adjusting the day and time. In the toolbar we have an option adjust date and time. By clicking you will get the particular window like this. In this you can select the date and time. Okay. And the next one is observing the constellations. So below the status bar I have shown, is it? Here it is toolbar and here in that below you have a status bar. You can have the different options for constellation lines. If you want to activate the constellation line, click on that. Or the particular images means you can click on that. Okay. And constellation art here. If you want means you can activate here or else you can deactivate by clicking that. Okay. And same as we have the ground option. First window you have seen that ground or else if you want to deactivate means click on that. We will see in the practical section. Okay. And another one is the atmosphere. If it need means day or night you can click on that. Okay. So like this you have a different mode or else the night mode it is available. So generally we are observing the content in night mode. Okay. Fine. So that is the use of observing the constellations. That is you have to open the Stellarium software. That is application, education and Stellarium. Clear? And the one is click on C or in constellation lines in the toolbar or you can press the keyboard key C. You will get the constellation labels and art. Clear? So like this you can activate the content in the sky. And here next is after that you can enter, if you want to search a particular content means you can enter the constellation name like Leo, Aries, you have no that, is it? So these are the things. And if you want to activate atmosphere tool means you can activate like this. Okay. So it is a very easy software you can use interestingly. Okay. And another one is here it is the search window. If you want to search means in the toolbar we have the option, isn't it? By clicking that you will get this option. You can select the object. That means any star's name or any planet name. And here it is position. Like this you have a different option and you can search. Clear? Okay. And another one is the ecliptic line. Is it? In a particular sphere we have to, that is the stars it is arranged in a particular sphere shape. Such line is in that atmosphere is known as ecliptic line. Is it? So you can activate the ecliptic line according to the particular date and you can study the position of the stars. Clear? So these are the steps you have to go apply in this. Okay. Here is a window after clicking that displaying the ecliptic line. Here you have the different options, ecliptic line, equator. You have to activate the celestial sphere. Okay, and you have to activate the planets also. Then you can see the arrangement of the different planets. Okay, and you have the animation option also. While moving, how it is changing its position during each time. Okay, so these are the options, and you have the different views also. In the landscape you can change the different views. We'll show you. Okay, another one is, here it is the electric line. I think you can able to see that, or else I will show you that in the video practical section. Okay, here it is the line, and what is the arrangement of the different constellations and sun and moon. Here you can see. Clear? So these are the 4 or 5 activities we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, it is an interesting one. Just you have to select the particular options. That's all. Okay, we'll see how these arrangements and constellations it is. Let's go for the practical session. Okay. So students, let's start our activity. To open Stellarium, go to Application, Education and Stellarium. Okay. Application, Education and Stellarium. Okay. And you can see in main window here. Okay. So generally we are using to learning the constellations virtually. Okay, so here the first toolbar you can see in this side, and another one is, will show you. Now it is in full screen, so we can adjust the window so you can see here. So click on this triangle shaped icons, so the toolbar and status bar will be fixed. Okay, and here you can see the different tools which you have seen in the video. That is, first one is location window, and another one is date and time, sky and viewing option like the search window, everything. Okay, so for that first we have to set the location. So I am selecting the location window. Here you can see in dialog box, is it? Here you can search a particular place. I am searching Kolkata. So if it is available means it will be displaying from this list. So you can see the change in the particular atmosphere. Is it? Okay. And next, if you need to add any place with, if we need to select Palakkad means or Kerala or Cochin, it is available here. Cochin. Okay. So if you want to choose that place means just select, or you have to add a new place means just enter the latitude and longitude and degree, and you can add the content key. Okay, here you have the option add to list. Okay, and or else you can go for the default location. After adding to that, just close the dialog box, and here you can see that particular place. And next we can set the date and time. So if you want to know the constellation of 2023 means, okay, you can set the particular date and just close. So here you can see that date what we have changed. And next is the sky viewing option. You want to view the ecliptic lines or the particular markings, just choose that option. Or you have to display the equator means you can just click on the options, these colors, so it will be displaying with these colors. Okay, and after that if you want to choose any landscape, so the views from that different place you can see. I am selected the Mars, is it? And another one is Jupiter means it will just changed. So here you can choose that different options. Okay, and these are default values. Clear? And the next one is sky option. Here you can choose
that Milky Way, and whatever the content you have to display means you can choose the options. Okay, and next one is the landscape. We have discussed now. Okay, so these are the viewing options it is available in this. Here, if you want to see the full sky, means just deactivate this ground, and the stars will be displaying on the night time, so just deactivate the day, so the content will be displayed. Is it? So we have activated the ecliptic line, so you can see in the yellow color, and the equator we have activated with blue color, and that also it is displayed in this way. Okay, the northern coordinate, the cardinal values it is displayed here, north, east, west, like that. So I am going to search that particular planets. Okay, so here Jupiter, if I want to select Jupiter, so just search, it will go to that particular place. While zooming you can see that planets image. Okay, so these planets it is arranged in a particular line, it is known as ecliptic lines. Clear? You can see that. Okay, so and you want to see that stars and constellations means just activate this constellation lines, and if you want to see that its images means just click on that art, and if you want to know the name means just click on that labels. Okay, I'm just deactivating the planets. Okay, here you can see that constellations. You can see the arrangement of stars in a sky. Clear? So these are the main activity we have doing in this software. You can see that arrangements and the planets. Okay, so here you can see that the planets it is arranged in a particular line. Okay, so that's all about this chapter and about this software. Okay, these are the main activities we are doing with this software. Clear? Okay students, so I think you got an idea about this software. We will see you in the next class.
So I hope you have understood the concept, and is it interesting? Okay, so we'll see you in the next session with a interesting software. So be safe at home and be healthy. Okay students, bye.